MRI Scan. Your physician may order an MRI scan based on the type of pain you are experiencing. What is an MRI scan? It is an imaging test that examines many parts of the body, such as the brain, spinal cord, knee, etc. An MRI scan takes 30 to 45 minutes, and the patient is required to undress and wear a special hospital gown. Metallic objects such as jewelry and watches must be removed prior to the scan, as the magnetic resonance device may damage watches, credit cards, and mobile phones. Certain patients are advised not to enter the MRI room without consulting a physician first. Especially patients with a pacemaker, prosthetic limbs, or assistive devices. The examination sometimes requires the patient to take an injection of IV contrast material. Renal function testing is usually ordered to make sure the contrast can be injected safely. Some patients are given sedatives as they cannot tolerate the MRI machine. The contrast of MRI is different than the contrast of CT. In case you had an allergic reaction to the contrast of CT, doesn't mean that you do have an allergy to the MRI contrast. The scan may require the placement of some supportive devices on the parts of the body to be examined. The MRI machine is a large cylinder-shaped tube where the patient lies on a movable table. During the scan, the patient will hear loud clicking and banging sounds in addition to feeling some vibration. Throughout the scan, the patient is asked to remain immobilized and follow certain simple instructions. After the scan is completed, the IV catheter is removed and the patient is allowed to wear his clothes. The MRI result is automatically delivered to the physician through the hospital's information system. The physician then explains to the patient the exact nature of the diagnosis and the treatment plan. You can visit the My IMC app on your phone to view the results of your scan. You can also request a copy of the MRI scan images from the Medical Records Department, Information Disclosure Office. Talk with your physician about the importance and necessity of an MRI scan for your condition. International Medical Center. Your health is our goal.